Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome and please kindly subscribe. Today we will be talking about how you can obtain a glowing skin with the use of honey. So you see my beautiful friends that honey is good within and outside your body. Let's dive into it. Honey, a golden liquid treasure, is crafted by industrious bees from the nectar of blossoms. This natural sweetener, enjoyed for centuries, is more than just a culinary delight. Honey possesses remarkable properties that extend beyond the breakfast table, offering a wealth of benefits for our skin. Its journey from flower to hive imbues it with a unique composition of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can work wonders for our complexion. The creation of honey is a testament to the intricate workings of nature. Bees diligently collect nectar from flowering plants, storing it in their special honey sacs. Enzymes within these sacs begin breaking down the complex sugars in nectar into simpler sugars. Back at the hive, worker bees deposit the nectar into honeycombs, where they fan it with their wings, evaporating excess moisture. This process concentrates the sugars, transforming the nectar into the thick, viscous liquid we know as honey. The color and flavor of honey can vary depending on the source of the nectar. From the light, delicate hues of clover honey to the rich, amber tones of buckwheat honey, each variety carries its own unique character. This diversity extends beyond appearance and taste, as different floral sources impart a distinct profile of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, each contributing to honey's remarkable skincare benefits. Honey's journey from flower to hive is a testament to the incredible synergy between nature and these industrious insects. It is this natural process that imbues honey with its exceptional properties, making it a cherished ingredient in traditional remedies and modern skincare alike. From soothing inflammation to fighting acne-causing bacteria, honey's versatility as a skincare ingredient is truly remarkable. Raw honey, in its unheated and unfiltered form, holds the key to unlocking a radiant complexion. Unlike processed honey, which undergoes heat treatment and filtration, raw honey retains all its natural enzymes, antioxidants, and other beneficial compounds. These precious components are heat-sensitive and can be destroyed during processing, diminishing honey's potency as a skincare ingredient. One of the key benefits of raw honey lies in its antibacterial properties. It naturally contains hydrogen peroxide, a potent antiseptic that helps combat acne-causing bacteria. This makes raw honey particularly effective in addressing breakouts and preventing future blemishes. Additionally, honey's viscous texture allows it to draw out impurities from pores, acting as a natural cleanser and clarifying agent. Beyond its antibacterial prowess, raw honey is a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture. This makes it an excellent moisturizer for all skin types, including dry and sensitive skin. Honey's humectant properties help keep the skin hydrated and supple, preventing moisture loss and maintaining a healthy skin barrier. Its gentle nature makes it suitable even for those with sensitive skin, who may find conventional moisturizers irritating. Raw honey's ability to soothe inflammation is another reason it's a skincare superstar. It contains potent anti-inflammatory compounds that can help calm redness, irritation, and inflammation associated with various skin conditions. Whether you're dealing with acne, eczema, or simply irritated skin, raw honey can provide relief and promote healing. Its natural soothing properties make it an excellent alternative to harsh chemicals often found in conventional skincare products. Honey's therapeutic properties extend to addressing specific skin concerns, including acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Its unique composition makes it an effective natural remedy for these conditions, offering relief from inflammation, itching, and discomfort. Honey's gentle yet powerful action can help soothe and heal the skin, promoting a clearer and healthier complexion. For acne sufferers, honey acts as a natural antiseptic, targeting the bacteria responsible for breakouts. Its ability to draw out impurities from pores further aids in clearing up blemishes and preventing future breakouts. Honey's anti-inflammatory properties work to reduce redness and inflammation associated with acne, promoting faster healing and preventing scarring. Eczema, characterized by dry, itchy, and inflamed skin, can also benefit from honey's soothing touch. Its humectant properties provide intense hydration, alleviating dryness and reducing itching. Honey's anti-inflammatory action calms the skin, reducing redness and inflammation associated with eczema flare-ups. Its gentle nature makes it suitable for even the most sensitive skin, providing relief without further irritation. Psoriasis, another chronic skin condition, causes the rapid buildup of skin cells, leading to thick, scaly patches. Honey's exfoliating properties help gently remove these dead skin cells, while its anti-inflammatory action reduces redness and itching. Its ability to promote healing further aids in soothing and repairing the skin, reducing the appearance of psoriasis plaques. Honey's efficacy in addressing these skin conditions stems from its unique combination of antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and healing properties. Its gentle yet effective action makes it a valuable natural remedy for those seeking to soothe and heal their skin, promoting a clearer and healthier complexion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell for more beauty tips. Thank you for watching.